The German press agency reports that Tesla Giga Berlin hopes to reach 5,000 cars weekly by beginning of next year. Tesla Giga Berlin intends to add a third shift in December 2022 in order to keep the factory operational 24 hours a day. Efforts are being made to reach a weekly production capacity of 5,000 Model Ys by the end of 2022 or early 2023. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we'll take a look at how Tesla Giga Berlin is planning to achieve its target for the first quarter of 2023. Curious to know? Let's find out. Tesla Giga Berlin plans to produce 5,000 cars per week by the first quarter of 2023. On September 11, Tesla held an open-door meet in Grünheide. During the event on Sunday, the company spoke with local employees about Giga Berlin's water usage as well as the factory's environmental and water protection protocols. It also discussed the factory's roads and rail infrastructure, forest conversion, battery cell production, and training at Giga Berlin. Tesla stated that the production ramp for Giga Berlin was going very well. Tesla announced in June that Giga Berlin produced 1,000 units in a week. Tesla's first European factory, Giga Berlin, will meet future demand for the company's vehicles throughout Europe. Having started work in March 2022, the factory is currently in the stage of increasing mass production. Despite supply chain issues in the spring caused by COVID-19 in China, Tesla continues to actively ramp up production, gradually catching up. Giga Berlin began working in 2 shifts, just a few months after it began operations, in the second half of May. Thousands of people work at Tesla's factory in Germany, near Berlin. Since production is increasing, the workforce is rapidly expanding. While some employees drive their own cars, the vast majority take public transportation. According to unofficial data, Giga Berlin employs approximately 6,000 people, and when they arrive at work, the existing public transportation is completely congested. To solve this, Tesla is working hard to make it easier for employees to commute to Giga Berlin. Tesla announced plans to run a shuttle train between Erkner and a new worker stop south of Giga Berlin's grounds earlier this year. Elon Musk mentioned the train station briefly during Tesla's Giga Fest. After that, it's only a 30-minute train ride to Berlin. We're actually going to build a train station where you can literally just take the train, which is ironic for a car company. You may also bring your car. That's fine as well, Musk said. The Ministry of Infrastructure has provided planning details. Tesla has already purchased an old train track leading to the Giga Berlin site from a German regional rail group. According to the Department of Infrastructure, the planning for the shuttle is the responsibility of the state's Office of Buildings and Transportation. Tesla submitted plans for the route's modernization and expansion, as well as the construction of a new station. Tesla also provided Deutsche Bahn with a detailed schedule proposal. The decision is expected in the coming weeks. Once approved, DB Netz will adapt the safety technology, which is expected to happen by the end of the first quarter of 2023. Tesla announced at an open house on Sunday that the train shuttle to Giga Berlin could begin service in spring 2023. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic. Due to delays in obtaining final approval to begin production, the team was able to prepare for work by testing and gaining experience in all production processes, allowing for such a quick start of the second shift. At the moment, the factory operates 16 hours a day and does not work at night, which obviously slows the pace of production ramp up significantly. However, 24-hour operation could begin as early as this year. The rumor that Giga Berlin would begin working in 3 shifts in July first surfaced at the end of June. This information seemed unlikely at the time, because the introduction of the third shift necessitated a significant increase in the number of factory employees as well as the preparation of production lines for 24-hour operation. As expected, the information remained a rumor, and Giga Berlin continued to work in 2 shifts after the upgrade, but with a higher production capacity of Model Ys per week. According to Tesla sources, Giga Berlin plans to start operating in 3 shifts as early as December 2022. This change should allow for the production of approximately 5,000 cars per week or approximately 260,000 cars per year. Tesla wishes to further reduce Giga Berlin's water consumption. It is especially concerned with reducing freshwater consumption. Giga Berlin currently consumes about 2.2 cubic meters of fresh water per car. Its water consumption already covers Tesla's planned in-house battery manufacturing line in Germany. According to Tesla, the average freshwater consumption in the auto industry is 1,056 gallons. According to the ACEA, water consumption in EU car production has dropped by 30.5% since 2006. Automakers use 993 gallons of water per vehicle as of July 2022. Streusberg-Erkner, a water association, has been granted permission to purchase land from Landesbetrieb Forst in order to build a treatment plant for Tesla and others in the area. On Friday, the Budget and Finance Committee approved the purchase agreement, which was confirmed by several committee members to RBB24. The property is a 10-hectare plot of forest in the Freienberg district of Berlin. The planned industrial treatment plant is designed to process wastewater from the Tesla and adjacent freight traffic center Freienberg and feed it into the WSE water cycle. The sale and purchase agreement between Streusberg-Erkner and the State Forestry Company was already signed in May of this year, but it still needed to be approved by the Budget Committee. The Budget Committee vote in the state legislature was postponed due to some concerns about the issue. The purchase is now approved, and the procedure can proceed to the next step. Aside from that, Tesla stated during a public information event on September 11 that it is committed to a closed water cycle. This means that after treatment, the saved water can be used for other local projects, such as the construction of a new school building in Hauptgarten or other local projects. Tesla's car sales in Germany could more than double in 2022 compared to last year. Given the increased productivity at Giga Berlin and Giga Shanghai, the company has a good chance of accomplishing this. Germany has grown to be one of Tesla's most important European markets, with the company selling tens of thousands of vehicles each year. The manufacturer's growing acceptance is also due to the fact that Tesla is a factory in the country, and cars made in Germany are highly preferred by German citizens. The further the company develops in the country, the deeper its cars will penetrate, enticing German buyers. According to Tesla's local manager, the company wants to double car sales in Germany in 2022 compared to last year. According to the source, Tesla will try to attract more customers by opening more stores and improving its service offerings. According to the estimated plan, the company sold 39,714 Model 3s and Model Ys in Germany in 2021, implying that sales in 2022 could reach around 80,000 units. According to EU EV's data, Tesla sold 24,732 vehicles as of the end of August. This means that the manufacturer should sell approximately 55,000 Model 3s and Model Ys over the next 4 months. It is unclear whether the automobile report is accurate. However, Tesla may well deliver such a large number of vehicles to Germany before the end of the year. The third and fourth quarters of the year have historically been extremely profitable for the company. Giga Shanghai has recently undergone an upgrade, although the installed capacity has not been officially announced. Sources say it is more than 90,000 vehicles per month. This means that only one factory, which supplies Europe and Asia, will be able to produce approximately 350,000 vehicles in the remaining 4 months of this year. Giga Berlin and Giga Texas will almost certainly be able to produce 5,000 Model Ys per week by the end of this year, or early 2023, according to Tesla CEO Elon Musk during the Q2 2022 earnings call. Furthermore, he stated that the company intends to produce 10,000 vehicles per week per plant by the end of 2023, which equates to 520,000 vehicles per year. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your thoughts about the future of Giga Berlin? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in